Imagine the scene. A rich, savory aroma wafts through your kitchen, promising warmth and comfort. Perhaps it's nestled between slices of rye bread. Piled high with sauerkraut and Swiss, a classic Reuben sandwich ready to delight. Or maybe it's the centerpiece of a festive family gathering, served tenderly alongside vibrant green cabbage, a nod to cherished traditions. Corned beef. It's a culinary icon, a beloved food item enjoyed around the globe, instantly recognizable by its distinct pink hue and uniquely savory, salty flavor. Its versatility and remarkable shelf life have cemented its place as a popular choice for generations. A staple from bustling delis to cozy home kitchens. But have you ever truly stopped to wonder about the intricate journey? The secret craft that transforms raw beef into this iconic product. Beyond the plate, what hidden artistry and cutting-edge technology are involved in its creation? Today, we're not just observing. We're taking you on an immersive, behind-the-scenes tour, walking you through every meticulous step of the corned beef production process. From the moment the raw materials are carefully sourced, through the ancient art of curing, the precise science of cooking, and finally, to the sophisticated packaging that delivers it fresh to your table. Prepare for an in-depth look at craftsmanship, the technology, and the sheer dedication involved in creating this beloved, enduring food. The journey of exceptional corned beef begins long before it ever sees a processing plant. It starts with the meticulous sourcing of the key raw material. Beef. Not just any cut of beef will do. The meat destined for corned beef typically comes from the brisket or the round cut. These specific sections of the cattle are chosen not by chance, but by design, as they possess an ideal balance of muscle, connective tissue, and fat content that makes them perfectly suited for the transformative curing process. The brisket, located in the lower chest or breast of the cattle, is particularly favored for its marbling and collagen, which, when properly cured and slow-cooked, break down into that wonderfully tender, succulent texture synonymous with premium. Corned beef. The round cut from the rear leg offers a leaner alternative, still robust enough to stand up to the curing. These high-quality cuts are not randomly selected. They are typically sourced from reputable beef producers, often from local family farms known for their sustainable practices and superior cattle, or from larger established meat suppliers depending on the scale of production required. In this initial, crucial stage, quality control is paramount. Inspectors rigorously examine the incoming beef to ensure it meets stringent standards for fat content enough for flavor, not too much for waste, muscle texture, and, most importantly, absolute freshness. The cattle themselves are often raised in specific regions globally renowned for their exceptional beef production. Think of the lush pastures of Ireland, the sprawling ranches of the American Midwest, or the fertile lands of Argentina. Only the finest cuts, meeting these exacting specifications, are selected to embark on the specialized corned beef journey. Upon its arrival at the processing facility, the raw beef undergoes another layer of rigorous inspection and preparation. This isn't just a cursory glance, it's a thorough examination to guarantee utmost quality and food safety. Highly trained inspectors meticulously check for any subtle signs of spoilage, any discoloration, or other minute issues that could potentially compromise the integrity or taste of the final product. Only beef that passes this demanding inspection proceeds to the next stage. Following approval, the beef is subjected to a precise cleaning and trimming process. Skilled butchers, often aided by advanced automated machinery in larger facilities, meticulously work on each cut. The goal is to carefully remove any excess fat that might become rancid during the long curing process, as well as any tough connective tissue that wouldn't tenderize adequately. This trimming is done to exact specifications, ensuring uniformity in size and quality across all portions. The cleaned and trimmed beef is then expertly divided into appropriately sized portions, ready for the next transformative phase: Curing. The cleaning process is absolutely crucial for maintaining the highest standards of hygiene and quality. The beef is thoroughly rinsed in cold, purified water to remove any surface contaminants, residual blood, or impurities that might have accumulated during transportation or initial handling. This ensures the meat is as pristine and clean as possible before it enters the sensitive curing phase. In some specialized facilities, particularly those aiming for premium products, the meat may also undergo an additional step, a brief soak in a preliminary brine solution. This initial short immersion serves multiple purposes. It can help to gently tenderize the meat, begin the subtle infusion of flavor, and optimize the meat's readiness for the primary curing process, where corned beef truly gets its signature taste and texture. This meticulous preparation is the silent promise of quality in every bite. This is where the magic truly happens. The primary processing stage, known as curing, is where ordinary beef undergoes its remarkable transformation into the iconic corned beef. Curing is far more than just adding salt. It's an ancient method, perfected over millennia, by which salt and other agents are used to preserve meat, extending its shelf life dramatically while simultaneously imparting its unique, rich taste and distinct texture. The very term corned offers a historical nod to this process, derived from the large, coarse grains or corns of salt traditionally used. Before the advent of refrigeration, curing was not merely a culinary choice but a vital necessity, a means of safeguarding precious food supplies. At the heart of this transformation lies the special brine mixture. This isn't a simple salt water solution, it's a precisely formulated concoction. While the exact recipe can vary by producer, it typically contains several key components, each playing a crucial role. Salt, sodium chloride. This is the fundamental preservative. Salt acts through osmosis, drawing out moisture from the meat and inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria. It also contributes significantly to the characteristic flavor of corned beef. Sodium nitrite, or sometimes sodium nitrate, converts to nitrite asterisk. This ingredient is arguably the most critical for corned beef's distinct characteristics. It is responsible for giving corned beef its signature rosy pink color, preventing the graying that would otherwise occur, contributing to its unique cured flavor, and most importantly, acting as a powerful antimicrobial agent, particularly effective against the dangerous Clostridium botulinum bacterium, which causes